See the governor.
Latest information reaching us has it that moves by the Rivers State House of Assembly to impeach Governor Sim Fubara today, Monday, which was allegedly masterminded by his political godfather, Nyesom Wike, met a brick wall as the assembly quarters was set ablaze on Sunday night to make it impossible for the house to sit, which many say was masterminded by Sim Fubara and Edison Ehie, the leader of the house. Reliable information has it that Sim Fubara has begun to go against the agreement with his godfather, Wike, to approve projects above 5 million naira. It was obvious from the political matrix that the Speaker of the House of Assembly is playing the Wike card alongside 23 members of the House of Assembly who have signed the petition to remove the leader of the House of Assembly, Honorable Edison Ehie. Recall that the same Edison Ehie led the team of protesters who protested against APC when Tony Cole was not allowed to access INEC office when he was seeking to collect verified copies of the result sheet, which was to be used to file his petition at the Election Petition Tribunal. From the obvious, it can be seen that Wike wants to replicate the political leadership style of Bola Ahmed Tinubu of Lagos State, where Tinubu controlled resources of the Lagos State government, which led to the restriction of Lagos State Governor Ambode from contesting a second term in office.
Yes, the governor wants to come back. Nothing but something to our government. We still be there. We still be there. We still be there.
This is really sad that at this point in time, when democracies all over the world are doing all that is necessary to engender peaceful coexistence of people in various nations. At a time when other states are making progress, trying to make life better for people of their states. Sadly here, we see a situation where the legislature is being attacked and not allowed to perform. We cannot really understand why our own chambers will be burnt down because somebody does not want this arm of government to survive or to function. This is sad. This is a sad day for Rivers State, and we know that security agencies will certainly do what is necessary to arrest all those who brought this bad news to Rivers State. Edison Ehie and all those who sponsored him, who do not want this arm of government to do their job in line with the Constitution, should be held accountable for what they have done. But we remain undaunted. We will do what we need to do because we have been empowered by the Constitution. We have been empowered by the Constitution, and we will not relent. We will not shy away from our constitutional duties.
Mr. Speaker, this morning I rise to move a very important motion brought pursuant to Order 12 and Order 28 of our standing orders. Mr. Speaker, the said motion is a motion to remove the majority leader of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Edison Ehie. Mr. Speaker, the motion is signed by 24 members of this Honorable House, and they are 1. Honorable Major Jack, Honorable Adoke Toyin Smart, Honorable Yeji Prince, Honorable Enemi George, Honorable Granville Tekinari, Honorable Lolo Okwende, Honorable Igwe Afodi, Honorable Wami Solomon, Honorable Ofix Kaban, Honorable Silvanus Wakwo, Honorable Justina Emeji, Honorable Amadi Emilia, Honorable Barile Wako, Honorable Arnold Davis, Honorable Chin C. Wakwo, Honorable John Dominic, Honorable Peter Abbey, Honorable Gerard Ofodi, Honorable Ngba Bernard, Honorable Wabuchi Franklin, Honorable Nkendika Ezekwe, Right Honorable Jumble Mao, Honorable Azero Opara, Honorable Ignatius Oginiba. Mr. Speaker, the reason for this motion is for inefficiency and ineffectiveness. Mr. Speaker, I so move. With your leave, Mr. Speaker, may I lay it at the table.
Please, by the voting, those that voted in favor of the removal of Edison Ehie as the majority leader of this House, 23, abstention nil, against nil. By that result, Edison Ehie is now removed as the majority leader of the University House of Assembly in line with outstanding orders.
Will be destroyed for selfish reason, just to please somebody. It's unfortunate. I'm calling on the security agency. From what I've seen, the security agency even compromised.
Exactly.
They were shooting at me.
You, yes, sir. I saw it. For tear gas to the governor.
They were shooting at me. This operation was shooting at me directly. Charles, but it doesn't matter. It's a pity. Somebody will die with you.
Yes, I am ready to die with you.
I want to die when people hear Fubara. They say, who is this Fubara? Is that
our hero
killed one time for a struggle? You will not die.
You will not die.
I am not against anybody. I am not planning anything against anybody. But I don't know where all these things are coming from. Let it be put on record. Whoever masterminded this thing is trying to shift. I had some people gathered here to do whatever. That is purely rubbish. Purely rubbish. You cannot sit when there is a problem and you say you're doing anything. What are you doing? I'm the chief security officer. I'm the head of the government. Yes. This person that should come, declare the place, and create an alternative place for assembly to sit. So whatever action is taken here is none and void. So for our good people, I know you're prayerful. You've been praying for me. God will see us to the end.
Amen.
You're seeing it for yourself, how the selfishness among politicians is causing disharmony in the different states. Yes, information reaching us has it that Sim Fubara has gone ahead to sack the CSO of Government House and also sacked the camp commandant of Government House. It's obvious from this action that Sim Fubara has observed that the camp commandant and the CSO has a hand in the interest that is being played against his government. Do want to hit this comment section. Let's get to know what your thinking is about the politics in Rivers State, and we shall continually be here to serve you. Thank you so much to all our viewers and returning subscribers. We do not take it lightly. My name is Moses and this is Think Tank TV. See you on our next video. Bye for now.